Few weeks ago, we came home and found our back window completely broken. So we checked the dash cam footage and saw exactly what happened. Our gardener accidentally hit a rock while mowing the grass. Moments like this are exactly why having a dash cam is so important. Today we're taking a look at the 70mai A810S. Let me get my wife so that she can show you how exactly it works.
When you open the box, everything feels organized and complete. You get the front camera, a long power cable, a car charger, and since ours is bundled, the Hardwire kit is already included. If you opted for the rear camera bundle, that's there too, giving you full front and back recording. The camera itself is compact and has this clean wedge design. It sits neatly behind the rear view mirror, so it doesn't block my husband's view while he's driving. It looks discreet, not distracting. And one thing I genuinely appreciate, physical buttons. When he's driving, pressing an actual button to lock a clip or take a snapshot is so much easier than trying to tap a touchscreen.
Take photo. Record audio. Enable hotspot. Record video.
Now let's talk about the most important part, video quality. This records in true 4K resolution, and you can immediately see it. License plates are sharp, road signs are readable, and even smaller details are clear. That clarity really matters if you ever need to zoom in on footage for insurance or disputes. At night, it still performs impressively. The front camera has a wide f1.7 aperture that allows more light in. Camera uses Sony Starvis 2 technology, which is specifically designed for low light conditions. So even on darker roads, the footage doesn't turn into a blurry mess. You can still see vehicles clearly, headlights aren't overly blown out, and shadows retain detail. Accidents don't just happen during the day, so strong night performance is a huge advantage. One of my favorite features is the ADAS, or the Advanced Driver Assistance System. Since my husband is the one driving most of the time, I like that the dashcam adds another layer of awareness for him. If he's getting too close to the vehicle in front, it gives a forward collision warning. If they're stopped at a red light and the car ahead starts moving, but he hasn't reacted yet, it sends a reminder. If he drifts out of his lane without signaling, it alerts him. And it doesn't just monitor cars. It can detect pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcycles in front of the vehicle as well. It's not intrusive or annoying. It's just an extra set of alerts that can help prevent something before it happens. It's like having a quiet assistant helping him stay aware on the road. Because ours includes the Hardwire kit,
Entering the parking surveillance mode.
Parking mode is always ready. When the car is turned off, the camera can still detect motion or impact. If something happens, it records the event, including moments before and after the trigger. That context is important. That's exactly how we were able to go back and see what caused our broken window. Without the Hardwire kit, parking mode wouldn't function the same way. So having it included makes a big difference in overall protection, like receiving motion alerts directly to your phone, checking a live view remotely, and tracking your vehicle's location if it's moved. That turns the dashcam into more of a connected security system. But even without 4G, the included Hardwire kit already gives reliable parked protection. It also has built-in GPS. That means every video includes speed, location, and timestamps. So if there's ever a dispute, you're not just showing video, you're showing verified data. Through the 70mai app, we can watch live footage, download clips directly to our phones, adjust settings like resolution and sensitivity, and manage storage easily. It's straightforward and user-friendly. Another practical feature I really like is that it uses a supercapacitor instead of a traditional battery. That means better heat resistance and longer durability, especially in hot climates or if the car is parked outside often. Traditional batteries can degrade faster in extreme temperatures. This setup is built to handle it. It also supports up to 512 gig of storage, which is great because 4K footage takes space. With that capacity, you can store hours of driving footage before it overwrites older clips. So why does all of this matter? Because when something happens on the road, emotions run high. People argue, stories change, but video doesn't. If there's an accident, we have footage. If someone drives recklessly around him, it's recorded. If something happens while the car is parked, it's documented. If there's ever a misunderstanding with a traffic officer, there's evidence. After experiencing a real incident ourselves, I honestly feel more at ease knowing it's there. The 70mai A810S with the included Hardwire kit gives us true 4K
Attention to
clarity,
riders.
strong night performance, helpful ADAS alerts, reliable parking surveillance, GPS tracking data, and durable hardware that's built for daily use. It's not just about recording drives. It's about protecting ourselves when it counts. And for us, it's already proven its value.
For me personally, the 70mai T800 is still the best dash cam in the lineup. It has dual 4K cameras plus a cabin camera, which means you get 4K front recording, 4K rear recording, and interior recording all at the same time. That's a really powerful setup, especially if you want maximum coverage. But the reality is, it's around $300 price range, which can be a bit expensive for a lot of people. So while the T800 might be the ultimate setup, the 70mai A810S is what I call the value king. A 4K flagship dash cam for around $100. And for most drivers, that's already more than enough protection for everyday driving. If you want to check it out, I'll be putting a link in the description box of this video. Thanks for watching and stay safe everyone.